Hi, you guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited for this one. It's our first trip to Hawaii and we are heading to Maui. This video is just our arrival day. No big plans, just getting settled, checking in, and relaxing after a long flight. One thing that was completely new to me was that before landing in Hawaii, everyone had to fill out a declaration form. You have to declare if you are carrying things like fresh fruits, vegetables, plants, or certain food items. Hawaii has strict agriculture rules to help protect the island's unique ecosystem. We landed at Kahului Airport. It's a pretty small airport, so everything was really easy to navigate. From there, we took the airport tram to the rental car area with all our luggage. That definitely made things easier. As soon as we stepped outside, the first thing I noticed was how windy it was, but everything was so green. Before checking into our Airbnb apartment, we were starving, so we stopped at a food truck area near the airport. We grabbed lunch from Thai Me Up, and it was the perfect way to start our Maui vacation. Then we headed to our Airbnb apartment. It couldn't have been a better location. It was right next to Sugar Beach, and from our balcony we had an amazing ocean view. Waking up to that view and falling asleep to the sound of the waves felt so surreal. Having a fully equipped kitchen was a huge bonus. I could make breakfast or cook something simple whenever I wanted. The apartment had everything we needed: cozy bedroom, a kid-sized bunk bed, a nice bathroom, and all the kitchen essentials. After a 5 hour long flight, we were pretty tired, so we just enjoyed the sound of the waves, took a relaxing walk, and called it an early night. That was our first day in Maui. It was a simple and relaxing start to our vacation, and we were so excited because we had an entire week of adventures waiting for us.